This is our tunnel greenhouse, an affordable greenhouse. The common size of the greenhouse is 8*30 meters, and it can also be customized according to your land area. The greenhouse uses high-quality hot-dip galvanized steel pipe as the main body, and the service life of the steel pipe is up to 15 years. The surface is covered with high-permeability PE film. There are roll film ventilation on both sides of the greenhouse. Customers can choose manual or electric film roll machine freely. Some places that require more ventilation can also customize the style with top ventilation, and the side plus top ventilation effect is better. The ventilation openings are equipped with insect nets, which can effectively prevent insect damage to crops. Equipped with double sliding doors for better opening and closing.